What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Fast Freight 5. Few topics are more exciting and noteworthy than white glove service and logistics. White glove service is usually used to describe items requiring an extra level of care, but it can be applied to debris removal and even software installation. It's quite diverse and continuously changing, and knowing a few things about it can make or break your customer experience. So, let's give you 5 things real fast. Number 1, customers expect the white glove treatment. White glove service is not just a nice to have, it's a must have. Your customers will expect some added level of service beyond just the leave on porch delivery. Of course, it might be the best idea for all shipments, but you need an option. Number 2, remember your attitude. By definition, white glove service carries the highest service level. It literally comes from the idea of using white gloves to move expensive items like a $100,000 piano. Items receiving this level of care must be transparent and concise. Give specifics on delivery details, especially when items require installation, debris removal, or other added services as part of it. Also, it's not just for the expensive items anymore. Number 3, know what each shipment needs. Not all white glove service experiences are identical. You wouldn't hire a company to install a refrigerator if the customer's needing help setting up a home office. The white glove portion must consider the unique needs of the shipment. Also, it may be necessary to coordinate delivery details with added precision. Know the facts for each shipment, including installation details and more. Number 4, remember the trash. Companies new to the white glove service level might have little, if any, experience in working in this added capacity. Never dispose of trash or packaging at the customer's homes, period. Also, take the time to consider that you may be asked about hauling away old items, particularly furniture and appliances. So it might be time to rethink your use of recycling service partnerships as well. Number 5, white glove service requires advanced back-end technology. Since white glove means knowing much more than just a delivery address, your company needs a supportive system. Of course, that must not be an Excel-based sheet. Instead, let automation do the heavy lifting and planning. Use a system that can connect with white glove logistics service providers. Use a system that auto-populates the information you need. White glove service was already on track to achieve double-digit growth in 2020, and that was pre-COVID-19. With businesses around the globe moving to a remote work model and leveraging all available resources, expect your demand for white glove service to rise. Fortunately, the Ceresis Raider, shameless plug, is already ahead of the game in terms of this innovative delivery need. Do you have a winning white glove strategy yet? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a great week.
Hold up, before you go, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You'll get up-to-the-minute info from Fast Freight 5, educational material from Talking Freight, and the best voices in the industry from the Freight Project podcast.